Hey everyone, if you're tired of manually accepting every single Cash App payment, this video is for you. Today I'm going to show you how to set up Cash App to automatically accept payments, and what to do if that option doesn't show up in your settings. Stick with me until the end, because I'll share a quick troubleshooting trick that most people miss. First, open your Cash App on your phone. On the home screen, tap your profile icon in the top right corner. This will take you to your profile page. Next, scroll down and look for Account and Settings. Tap on it, then select Security and Privacy. Inside this menu, scroll until you find the option that says Auto Accept. If it's there, simply toggle it on, and you're done. From now on, payments will automatically go straight into your Cash App balance without you having to manually approve them. But here's where most people get stuck. Sometimes the auto accept option doesn't even show up. If that happens, don't worry. Go back to your main Cash App homepage and scroll to the bottom. Tap on Support, then choose the chat option under Contact Us. This will open a message box where you can reach Cash App support. In the chat, type a clear message like, "Hi, I'd like to enable the auto accept feature for my account." Send it and wait for their reply. Usually they will confirm and enable the feature on their end. Once that's done, check your settings again and you should see the auto accept toggle available. And that's it. You've now set up your Cash App to automatically accept payments, and you know exactly what to do if the setting isn't there. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick Cash App tips and money hacks.